Welcome back to Autobike Reviews. Today, we are diving into one of the most extreme motorcycles ever built, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2026. This is not a road bike. This is not about comfort or practicality. This machine exists for one purpose only: pure, uncontrollable speed on the racetrack. Legacy of the Ninja H2R. Since its first appearance, the Ninja H2R has redefined what a motorcycle can be. Kawasaki used aerospace engineering, supercharging technology, and track-only aggression to create a legend. The 2026 H2R doesn't reinvent the idea, it perfects it, pushing the limits even further. Design aerodynamics taken to the extreme. The 2026 Ninja H2R looks like it's moving even when standing still. Carbon fiber body panels dominate the design, keeping weight low and strength high. The signature winglets are sharper, more refined, and engineered for maximum downforce at insane speeds. Every curve, every edge is built to cut through air with brutal efficiency. This is not beauty for style. This is functional aggression. Engine performance, supercharged madness. At the heart of the H2R 2026 is Kawasaki's legendary supercharged inline-4 engine. This machine produces mind-bending power numbers that place it closer to a race car than a motorcycle. Throttle response is instant, violent, and unforgiving. Twist the grip, and the H2R doesn't accelerate, it launches. This bike demands skill, focus, and respect. One mistake, and the machine reminds you who's in control. Technology, race-focused intelligence. The 2026 model features updated track-only electronics, including advanced traction control, launch control, and engine braking management. Everything is tuned for professional-level riding. No unnecessary screens, no comfort modes, just raw data and precision control. This is technology that works with the rider, not for beginners. Handling braking built for the circuit. The chassis is engineered for high-speed stability and cornering confidence. Premium suspension components are fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike for different tracks. The braking system is brutally powerful, designed to slow the H2R from extreme speeds in seconds. On the track, the Ninja H2R feels locked in, aggressive, stable, and terrifyingly fast. Not street legal and proud of it. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2026 is not street legal, and it never tries to be. No mirrors. No lights. No compromises. This is a motorcycle for closed circuits, professional riders, collectors, and speed addicts who understand what true performance means. Who is the H2R really for? Let's be clear, this bike is not for everyone. It's for elite riders, serious collectors, and those who want to own a piece of motorcycle history. The H2R isn't about daily riding. It's about owning the edge of engineering. Final thoughts: a monster without apology. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R 2026 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that Kawasaki still believes in pushing boundaries, ignoring limits, and building machines that scare even experienced riders. If speed had a physical form, it would look exactly like this. Outro. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more extreme bike content right here on Autobike Reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the Ninja H2R on a track if you had the chance? Until next time, ride fast, ride smart.